あれ、急いでる。
それで片道ずつじゃなくてあれが買えるわけ。ロープウェイ券半日とか1日とか。
It's the middle of Japan, in the mountains. Looks like this trail's barely traveled. We'll see what we can find. Whew. Rocks are slippery. So, Motomura-san,
はい。
ano nga no namae wa nan desu ka?
Odake.
Odake.
Odake, はい。
今、Odake です。Here come the clouds. Coming right for us.
早い。もやもやが。
Wow, the clouds are really coming in quick. Here it comes.
ハンドエイド持ってこなかったよ。車に置いてある。
あります。
もう大丈夫だ。あれ、あのまま乾かした方がいいよ。そのまま乾かしたら。
いいですか？大丈夫。
車に降りてから貼った方がいいよ。
Okay, coming down is really, really a little bit slippery. See if I can take a little picture here without falling down. Figure out my way through this path here. The problem is it's a little damp, a little moss, and a little bit slippery. Hey. Konnichiwa. Yeah, some more down here, and the trail gets really thick. If it wasn't for the ribbons, I'm sure we would get lost. Because every once in a while it looks like the trail goes another direction. Whew. It's not as slick as it was earlier, but it's a lot more dense as far as the vegetation. But what a nice trail. Feels good to get out here. Digging through the mountains, away from the city. Oh, a nice clear spot. Alright, our last hour of the hike looks like it's going to be on this kind of like fire road, mountain road. So we will say hi to everybody and we'll go by. So Motomura-san. Shoko-san. Hi. 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 Okay, that's everyone. Jun-chan and Ishi-san and Shoko-san. And let's catch up. Say hi everybody. Okay, we arrived at the rope buoy. 急いで。ロープウェイ来ました。はい。
お疲れ様。着いたよ。
This is where we started at 8 o'clock, and it is now 3 o'clock. So it's kind of a long day. To the ropeway. Okay, we're on the ropeway now.